Welcome back children. I hope all you are well and doing great. Today in this video you will learn about the harvesting, and this is the final stage of the agricultural task in which the fully grown crops are cut and gathered. So let us begin. Harvesting is the process of cutting and gathering or collecting of ripe or mature crop from the fields. Matured crop plants are cut close to the ground by different means. Two of the methods used for harvesting a crop are manual harvesting and another is mechanical harvesting. So let us begin with the manual harvesting. This is done with the help of hand sickle. This is the traditional implement used to harvest the crop. Dry mature crop plant are cut at the ground level or at the base of the plant and are stacked in bundles for threshing. After the crop is gathered, the grain is separated by a process called threshing. Threshing is done with the help of a thresher. It is a machine that is used for threshing. So, what is threshing? The process of separating the grain from the chaff is called threshing. And what is chaff? Chaff is actually the outer covering of the seed. This process can also be done by manually by striking the crop against the hard surface. So this is also another method of threshing. Now, some farmers who have small piece of land use a method of winnowing to separate the grain and the chaff. Winnowing means separating the outer cover or chaff from the grain. It can be done by manually by dropping the grain and chaff from a height and letting the wind blow away the chaff. Husk or chaff is blown away to a distance by wind and grains being heavy fall near the platform. So this is all about the winnowing. Now we will learn about the mechanized harvesting. It is practiced with the help of machines called harvester. A harvester is a machine which cuts and often collects crop such as wheat, maize or vegetables. Mechanized harvesting is convenient and fast process and it helps in harvesting the crop well before the produce is affected by the rain. This helps the farmer in storing or transporting the produce to market immediately. And if the harvester is combined with thresher, then it is called harvester combine or simply combine. It will harvest the crop, threshes and separate husk or chaff from the grains simultaneously. So this is all about the threshing. Now we will learn about the agricultural task implements. So we have learned about different agricultural tasks, and in each task we saw different agricultural implements that are meant for special purpose. For example, for doing plowing we used wooden or iron plow. For sowing the seeds we used seed drill. For irrigation we used sprinkler system. For removing the weeds we used khurpa, trowel or harrow, and for doing harvesting we used harvester and combine. So for plowing we used wooden or iron plow. For sowing the seeds we used seed drill. For doing irrigation we used sprinkler system. For removing the weeds we used khurpa, trowel or harrow, and for harvesting or for cutting the crop we used harvester or combine. So today we learned about the harvesting. In next video you will learn about the storage of grains. Thank you.